Hello traders, the title of the video is Technical Trading Step 1 for Mastering FTSE 100 Index like a pro. Alright, let's get started. Do you want to master the FTSE 100 Index trading like a queen? Alright, so we are talking about the FTSE 100 that represent the 100 blue chip stock in the United Kingdom. So talking about United Kingdom, we have the Queen Elizabeth, all right? So if you are a little bit jealous because you are an American and you are wondering why you do not have a queen, all right, my friend, don't be jealous. Come to England and you will see the Buckingham Palace, all right? So what I'm about to discuss today is about technical analysis, technical trading, all right? Step 1 for mastering the FTSE 100 Index like a queen. I hope you like my title today. All right, so let's begin our demonstration today. So if you trade the FTSE 100, it's quite a friendly stock index. So if you trade stock indices, the Dow Jones Index, the NASDAQ 100, the CAC 40, the DAX 30, all right, you may also trade the FTSE 100. All right. So talking about step 1 for mastering the FTSE 100, all right. If you are trading the FTSE 100, you want to understand that, the market leaders for the FTSE 100, the sector that influence the FTSE 100 is the financial, the banks. All right. So if you are trading the FTSE 100, you want to check the banks, all right, what is likely to happen to the banks. The next sector that will influence the FTSE 100, all right, is the crude oil stocks, but first is the financial. All right, the financial will determine the possible path that the FTSE 100 will take. All right. So looking at this chart, I'm on the monthly chart of the FTSE 100. The FTSE 100 there was a significant resistance level for the FTSE 100. That level is 7000. So if you are trading the FTSE 100, you should know that level because we ask 3 specific questions when we are analyzing any financial instrument. The first question is that, where are we now? Okay, and then the next question that we ask is that, where are we headed? All right, and the third question is that, what has happened before? So if you want to become a professional chartist, professional technical trader, you must ask those 3 questions anytime you are analyzing any financial instrument on any time frame. Talking about what has happened before, people were selling, all right, the FTSE 100 at the 700 level, the 7,000 level was a resistance level that everybody was talking about. All right, so this is what we are talking about, resistance. They sold it exactly there. This is about what has happened before. They sold it, as they reached that level in 2000. Professional traders, all right, they always make decision at a specific price level. So that level of 7,000, they sold it there in 2000. Price came back to the same zone, couldn't reach it, they sold it again. So what has happened before is likely to happen again. There is nothing new on this earth. If you are reading the Bible, the Ecclesiastes, there's nothing upon the earth. Okay, what has happened before is likely to happen again. And it's true in the financial market. And they sold it here in 2000. It came quite close in 2007, financial crisis. They sold it again. Now, again, look at my friend. It's happening all the time, yeah? You just need to add that question. In 2015, the price hit that level again, the 7,000 level. They sold it again. All right, you see what's happening? So ask that question. Whether you're on any time frame, what has happened before on the hourly time frame, daily chart, ask that question. Okay, they sold it. They are selling at 7,000 level. You can't ignore that level. But recently, look at that. In 2016, my friend, we have what we call the negation of trading signal. Have you watched that video? The negation of trading signal. So people try to sell it here. You see that first candlestick bar on the monthly chart. It went down for 1 month, but quickly you see that bullish candlestick bar pierced through that 7,000 level. This is the bullish traders telling traders that do not attempt to sell it anymore. That candlestick, but you see how bullish it was? From here, it went down a bit, but they just pierced it through and closed nicely above it. The message is clear. Don't sell it anymore. And since then, since, which month? Okay, December 2016, the FTSE 100 did not retest that 7,000 level. So we have a change of market sentiment. In December 2016, the FTSE 100 found a support above that significant resistance level at the 700 level. So now we're going to ask the next question. So we asked the first question, what has happened before? We're now going to ask the next question. Where are we headed? I don't like to use that word, where are we headed? I prefer to say, where are we heading? But people say, where are we headed? All right, let me know in the comment section whether I'm improving my English or not. All right, so now, where are we headed? Where are we going? All right, do you want to know? You must know. On any time frame, ask the second question. Where are we going? Where are we headed? We are going to this level here, 8441. How do I know? Yes, I know, because if a financial instrument breaks above the prior high is at 7,000. The next challenge or the next significant resistance level that professionals are watching is what? 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the prior trend. So what is the prior trend? The prior trend began at 1995 and ended in 2000. We apply Fibonacci extension to the prior trend and we highlight the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of that prior trend, giving us the level of 8441. This is the level that the professionals are watching. So asking the question, where are we headed? All right, where are we going? We are going to 8441. Will he reach it? We will see. That's the correct answer. Will he reach that level? We will see. All right. So it doesn't mean that definitely the price will hit that level of 8441, but it's the aim of the market. Because as I told trader at 24 Stock Traders YouTube channel, is that any financial instrument going up is going up to a specific target level. So that target is 8441. Will it reach that level? The correct answer is that we will see, one step at a time. So we have answered the second question. Where are we headed? We know now 8441. What has happened before? They were selling at 7,000. The third question that we must ask now is what? Where are we now? You see now? So those three questions will help technical traders to improve their technical analysis. Now I'm going to ask the third question. All right? Where are we now? Where are we now, my friend? Can you answer that question? We are now at a midpoint target. All right, so here we are. So the resistance that we break above is 7,000 level. We are headed to 8441. We are now at a midpoint target. So what I say to traders, though we have the initial target at 8441 for the FTSE 100 index, the midpoint target is at a 7696. So we are now at a midpoint target. That's where we are now. Okay, so the last question I will ask, so we are about to trade, we want to buy and sell. What is the question that we must ask? All right, think of it. What's the question that we must ask? Did you get it? All right. All right. So we want to trade, we must apply the trading drill, yes or no? The setup, the signal, okay, and the low risk entry point. What is the last question that we ask before we enter the trade? I leave it to you to think of it for a while. So we ask those three questions, what has happened before, All right. Where are we going? All right. Where are we now? What is the last question? The last question is that what are we looking for? All right. Now, so as we ask those three questions, now we must ask the question: what are we looking for? We are looking for a trading setup, a valid trading setup, where at a hot spot trading zone and also on the edge. Now, this is the question. Hold on a second. I need to pause the video for a second. I will come back in a minute and we answer that question. Okay. All right. What are we looking for? Okay, we are looking for a valid trading setup on the edge and also at a hot spot trading zone. All right. When we see a valid trading setup or a high probability trading setup, the next step is to implement what? A different time frame trading method. Whether we are on a 4-hour time frame, daily chart, weekly chart, after we have identified a high probability trading setup, we will now, okay, all right, implement, okay, a valid, a thorough, okay, multiple time frame trading method. Now, traders that are following us, allow me to speak to new traders that whenever we use the word like a pro, all right, we are talking about using different time frame trading method, okay? So because we are saying now, where are we now? We are at a midpoint target. Let's go now because we are looking for a trading setup. I draw a trend line on my chart. I want to draw your attention to this trend line that I draw very carefully, all right? Carefully on this chart. Allow me to use that word very carefully. All right, watch it. I'm join this low and this one here. So you may wonder, George, do I have enough data to join that low? That's August 2011. Can you see that on your chart? And the low of August 2011, and I join it to the low of October 2011. So with those two low, this one and this one here, allow me to draw the red trend line. All right, we are at okay. Talking about we are at a midpoint, but the intersection between that red trend line and that midpoint target at 7696 is creating what we call a hot spot trading zone. So for us, in order to buy the FTSE 100 or to become truly bullish, all right, we need to the price need to find a support above 7696. So at this junction, traders that are already buying need to control their trade, secure their gain because we are at a midpoint target. All right. But if you want to be truly bullish, you want the FTSE 100 to break above 7696, break above, retest, and then implement a top-down trading method to buy because we have a hot spot trading zone, which is the intersection between okay that level of 7696 and that red trend line on my chart. There is a hot spot trading zone ahead of us. So if I switch from the monthly chart, okay, quickly to the daily chart, you can see that the price is acknowledging that hot spot trading zone. Let's see with that. Oops. All right, good. It's not good for us. So this is what's going on here on the daily chart. So we come to the daily chart. Okay, what are we looking for? Because we are looking for a trading setup on the monthly chart. If you are swing trading, you may say to me, George, I'm not swing trading. Are you stupid? Or I'm day trading. So if you are day trading, you are looking for hot spot trading zone on a higher time frame, and then you switch to the lower time frame, okay, to look for an opportunity to buy or sell. We are at a hot spot trading zone. As a day trader, the price is now in a triangle, which is normal. How do I know? You see, there is a triangle here. It's a kind of a triangle. You see here, is the FTSE 100 is in a triangle on the daily chart. You see here, boom, 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 boom. Can you see that? There's a triangle. So now you see, it's consolidating. The FTSE 100 is consolidating in that triangle. We can extend it. You remember what I say? Draw the trend line like a king. Today we are talking about, okay, step one for mastering the FTSE 100 index like a queen. So we are giving a bit of respect to the ladies, no discrimination, ladies, all right, to the queen. Last time I said like a king, now we are talking about like a queen because we are talking about FTSE 100. In England, we have the Queen Elizabeth, all right. So here we are. So talking about those who want to buy or sell, all right, people are selling on the edge of that triangle. Can you see now? Okay. But let's color into pink as we are talking about the Queen All right, now I'll change that color to orange because I have another pink line on my chart. I hope you find this video useful. So we're going to extend our trend line. You remember what we say? Draw your trend line like a king, which means you extend it into the future. So don't be afraid because it's your chart. If anyone questions you and say, why are you drawing so many lines on your chart? Say, it's my chart, all right? So we have a oil price consolidating. This is normal. Why? Why is it normal? Because the price is approaching a key level, 7696, is acknowledging that level, and the professional are going gently, all right? So this is, okay, a consolidation in a triangle. So here people are buying on the edge of the lower part of the triangle, and as soon as it hit the upper side of the triangle, they are selling. So be careful what's going on here. We are at a hot spot, and it's also you are day trader. Now you are on a daily chart. You see the market pattern. It's a triangle. People are buying. So today you see what's happening. Price breaks above that, okay, bearish trend line. Retest it here. People are buying here. They will push it up. And then again, if you hit this level, we'll check whether there's a demand to sell. Use the trend line on the edge if you want to day trade. You see now? So now I'm speaking to day trader. You see the market pattern on the daily chart can help day traders here. They are selling on top of that, okay, a triangle. You see now? All right, this is what's going on now. The price is being very, very careful. They are bringing it gently to try to push it above the midpoint target. But there is another reason why the price is consolidating. I'm going to bring you back to the monthly chart. Hopefully you remember that. You see, I talked recently about, a video that I'm talking about the RSI, because I have on my chart here the RSI period 14. I want to refresh your memory. All right. I'm looking on my chart here. Is that the video that I call how to take your RSI indicator trading to the highest level like a pro? Or was it? Yes, this is it. So I would like to recommend to traders to watch the video that I titled Mastering the Relative Strength Index Momentum Trading Like a Pro Part 1. Check it out at the Pro Trader YouTube channel. Mastering the Relative Strength Index Momentum Trading Like a Pro Part 1 and Part 2 at the Pro Traders. So what usually takes place, you see the momentum oscillator here. So it has peaked. I'm not going to go into detail about what's happening here. So it has peaked. How do we know that it has peaked? It has peaked because it breaks below its own bullish trend line. So the momentum of the momentum oscillator, the momentum of the RSI is diminishing here. So trading usually happens when the momentum, okay, has peaked. Trading is possible, all right? The price may continue to go up, ignoring, okay, the fall in the momentum of the RSI itself. The price may continue to go up as the momentum is resetting itself. Now, there is another video that you may watch, all right, and the title of that video at the Pro Trader YouTube channel is about how to take your RSI indicator trading to the highest level like a pro. So check out those videos at the Pro Trader. It will help you to understand. So here, once I see this momentum, the RSI breaking below its own bullish trend line, is telling us that the momentum of the RSI is diminishing. I know that three things, okay, are possible. The price may continue to go up as the RSI is resetting itself, or the price may consolidate, or the third one is that the price may come down. So there are three scenarios. So as you see here, the RSI breaking below its own bullish trend line. There are three possibilities. The price may continue to go up, okay, without consolidating as the RSI is resetting itself, all right, because it has peaked. Or the price may consolidate at this time when the RSI is resetting itself. Or the price may come down. All right, but what we are seeing here is that the price is consolidating in a declining channel, as we see on the daily chart, as the RSI on the monthly chart is resetting itself. This is a consolidation while the RSI is resetting itself. There is a high chance that the FTSE 100, if it does not break below that orange triangle, that it may continue to break above that 7696. We will see. We will see. All right, we will see. I don't want the video to be too long, okay? I'll stop here because we're going to reach 20 minutes so far, okay? So we asked the three question, all right? What has happened before? People were selling the FTSE 100 at a 7,000 level, all right? That's the what has happened before, all right? Where are we headed? We are heading to 8441. Will it reach that level? The correct answer is that we will see, all right? Where are we now? We are at a midpoint target at a 7696. All right. Now, for practical trading, we ask the last question. What are we looking for? What are we looking for? We are looking for high probability trading setup on the edge or at a hot spot trading zone. Now we have a hot spot trading zone, which is the intersection between the red trend line, which I explained to you already, and the level of 7696. Looking down on our RSI period 14, the RSI has peaked because it breaks below its own bullish trend line, telling us that the momentum of the momentum oscillator is diminishing. There are three scenarios. The price may continue to go up as the RSI is resetting itself. The price may consolidate as the RSI is resetting itself, or the price may come down as the RSI breaks below its own bullish trend line. The scenario that we have here is that the price is consolidating as the RSI is resetting itself. There is a high probability that the FTSE 100 may continue to go up if it finds support above that orange triangle. But if it breaks below it, we are ready to sell. And in all cases, talking about like a queen, like a pro, like a king, we must use a different time frame trading method. All right, this is about the FTSE 100. Okay, they representing the 100. Okay, blue chip stock in United Kingdom. United Kingdom, you have the Queen. That's why we give the title like a Queen. All right. So those are the questions we must ask. Those are the questions we must answer in all cases. What are we looking for? Is the last question. We are looking for high probability trading setup on the edge or at the hot spot trading zone, whether we are day trading, swing trading, or position trading. All right, this we conclude this discussion today about technical trading. Step 1 for mastering the FTSE 100 index like a queen. Have any question, suggestion, comment? All right, feel free to put it in the comment section. I always read the comment, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you find this video totally useful, be honest, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that, Joe, you have not done a good job today, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. But if you think that this is an essential tutorial, well, feel free to share it with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about technical trading. Step 1. For mastering FTSE 100 index like a queen. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon. Ouais, c'est bon. Yeah.